How to redeem codes in PS5. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to the PlayStation Store found in the left-hand menu and then press on X on your console. Press the triangle on the console to access the new menu on the top right corner of the screen. Click on this three dot at the top right and then click on Redeem Code. Now enter your 12-character browser code. You have to enter exactly how it appears and then press the R2 button on the console. Once you have entered the 16-digit code, what you want to do is click on Redeem. And then your browser code will be redeemed successfully. Once the redemption of the game has been completed, you can begin downloading your content right away. Well, you'll be able to get tons of different benefits with the help of this redemption code. Also, you need to keep in mind that once the code has been redeemed, it's typically tied to your account and you won't be able to use it again. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to redeem code on PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.